This is the practice page for section 1.4. The first part, they ask you to identify the hypothesis and the conclusion of each statement. So remember, we identified just by underlining. We'll underline the hypothesis once, underline the conclusion twice. That saves you from writing. Remember, hypothesis does not include the word if. Conclusion does not include the word then. So if you need to pause this, that way you can see what the answers are, now's a good time. Okay, a couple ones that I do want to point out would be number 3. Notice how the word if is in the middle. That's okay. If is allowed to be in the middle if you remember. That's like your number 2 from the template. So your hypothesis still comes after if. Your conclusion is over here. Number 6 is like that as well. Okay, the ones that we'll spend the most time on in this video would be numbers 7 through 9. You want to write 2 other forms of each statement. So again, having this little template here helps you. If you floss regularly, your gums are healthier. First thing I want to point out is the word then is not there. If you put it there, it would not change the meaning of the statement. So you can have it there, or you could not have it there. It's still going to be the same as this. Okay, so if you want to structure the statement like this, you would say, your gums are healthier if you floss regularly. You can pause there if you need to write that down. We'll do number 8 next. Okay, number 8 says we are in the state finals if we win tomorrow. That's this form. If is in the middle. Okay, so we can structure it like this. We can say if we win tomorrow, then we are in the state finals. The other form for number 3 would look like this. Don't use if or then. Winning tomorrow puts us in the state finals.
Every word you're speaking is spittle.
I'm recording. Number 9 says, all odd numbers can be written in the form 2n plus 1. That's like this third form from your template. Can you change it to look like this? If you can, then it means the same exact thing. If a number is odd, then it can be written in the form 2n plus 1. You can also switch it to make it look like this. You could say a number can be written in the form 2n plus 1 if it is odd.